Well, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs pushes to get more military veterans vaccinated. Denis McDonough says countless veterans have lost their jobs during the coronavirus pandemic, and he says he wants to help. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen?
Tracy, the head of the VA, says COVID-19 has claimed the lives of thousands of veterans and is urging for the passage of the American Rescue Plan. Most of all, Denis McDonough says they need more vaccine.
In the White House press briefing room, Secretary of Veterans Affairs Denis McDonough, who was President Barack Obama's chief of staff, lays out the challenges in getting America's veterans vaccinated.
We have more demand right now than there is supply.
Veterans, like so many Americans, have suffered greatly.
With more than 230,000 veterans in our care infected by it, and sadly, 10,605 dying from the disease.
The VA says vaccine supplies at its facilities are limited. They're following a phased plan based on CDC guidelines.
To date, more than 1.4 million veterans have been vaccinated.
And at many facilities, vets getting shots in arms must meet certain criteria. They must already receive care at the VA and be at least 75 years old or have health problems that increase risk for severe illness from COVID-19.
And we're making sure that equity is at the forefront of where and how we distribute vaccines.
Also at the White House today, President Joe Biden welcomes lawmakers and the Secretary of Transportation to discuss rebuilding America's infrastructure, including mass transit, airports, water systems, and more.
It's not only creates jobs, but it makes us a hell of a lot more competitive around the world if we have the best infrastructure in the world.
The White House says investing in infrastructure could create good union-paying jobs. The question, of course, is the price tag. Listen to this. Today, the Congressional Budget Office said the national debt could double in size in just the next 30 years. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.